Hello friends, Tenfold Engineering is redefining mobile living with its foldable structure. With a push of button, your home can unfold itself in under 10 minutes. Tenfold Engineering is a UK-based company that is leading the world of portable building through their innovations of modular self-deploying houses. Thanks to its clever and innovative lever-based system, folding things are like to use much less space and transport the home to size much more easily. These portable houses can be transported on a truck to any place you like. The unit is driven by electric motor, but tenfold just by counterbalancing components. So almost any power source are viable and in some cases none is required. While closed for transport, it has a cargo weigh as 23 cubic meter. This portable smart home can also incorporate terraces for extra space on both sides, which make the design even more versatile. Tenfold's smart homes are extremely adaptable and they can be constructed by a variety of material, different sizes and style. They can also complement any geographic location, from mountain top to rolling hills over ocean side. The possibilities are endless. According to Tenfold Engineering, complementary modules can attach to both ends to provide additional facility such as water processing, air locks, or extra luggage space. Comparable to shipping containers, houses can be stacked on one another for storage or for transport. Tenfold is on mission to engineer fully equipped, ready to space where and when you need it. The patented technology can support unlimited range of design possibilities. The company doesn't directly sell the home. Technology can be licensed to you to build in, assemble it in a local factories to meet your regional need and capacities of requirements. And good thing about local and regional manufacturing is that brings the product closest to where it's needed and promotes local employment. That's all about my today's video. And if it is your first time here, please consider following or subscribing for more videos like these. I will see you again very soon. Till that, take care, bye bye, and thanks a lot.